need cooling, baby, I'm not fooling. I'm gonna send you back to school and beat it.
All Wireless and Prepaid Expo 2025.
I'm gonna give you my love. I'm gonna give you my love.
Are you ready to party? Ready to party? Let's go.
Let's go. You've been learning, baby, I've been learning. Oh, let's go.
I just wanna dance, sipping something on the weekend, cherry on top of a good time. I just wanna dance, sipping sunsets on the ceiling. It's electric all night. I just wanna dance, sipping something on the weekend, cherry on top of a good time. I just wanna dance, sipping sunsets on the ceiling. It's electric all night. I just wanna dance, sipping sunsets on the ceiling. It's electric all night. It's electric all night.
Let's go. I'm going to the show right now to speak my speech in about 2 hours. Moses right here as well. Everybody over here.
Hello.
Jeff, what's going on?
Hey,
That's right, baby.
good to see you.
We're ready.
All right,
Let's
bro.
go. Yeah. That's why I'm interviewing you today. I want you to continue working with Dad, go to his work, ask questions. How this? Don't be afraid. I'm sure your dad is proud of that, and we're all proud of you over here as well. But Dad will make sure that you're knowing things, you're doing things the right way. Just continue asking, continue going. Thank you so much. Okay, we're out. We're done. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Graham told me 10:45. Are you ready? Yeah. See? Person 45. It's okay. It's okay. You shake the ground a little bit. It's gonna come back again.
I always snap 3 photos. One of the inside.
All those ones, you wear them to feel cool. We're in that space, you carry space,
But guess what? 95% of your viewers, they like it.
you forget all the shit you carry because that's what you do and that's what
This is the major problem that we all experience. You agree with me? take a video of the whole thing. No, Raheem is not here. I wish you but say hi to him. You can't miss him. Raheem, man, I wish you were here. You and Amos, actually. You guys can get him. Beautiful. You can't miss it. Look at this. Abraham, look who's here.